Find the value of y in the diagram. The sign we have here shows that the angle formed here is a right angle. That is, the value of the angle here is 90 degrees. The angle formed here and the angle formed here are vertically opposite. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So if the value of this angle here is 90 degrees, then the value of the angle here is also 90 degrees. From plane geometry, we know that one of the theorems of a circle is that the angles a chord subtends at the circumference in the same segment of a circle are equal. So what it means is that the angle that the chord RP subtends at the circumference of the circle in the same segment are equal. The chord RP subtends an angle of 35 degrees at point M, which is on the circumference. And in the same segment, the chord RP subtends this angle at point N, which is also on the circumference. The theorem says that the angles that a chord subtends at the circumference in the same segment of the circle are equal. So what it means is that the angle RNP, which is the angle formed at N, is equal to the angle RMP, which is the 35 degrees angle formed at N. And so the angle RNP is equal to the angle RMP, and both of them are 35 degrees. We now have this angle here to be 35 degrees. We have the angle here to be 90 degrees and the angle here to be y. These three angles form the interior angles of this triangle, and we know that angles in a triangle sum up to 180 degrees. So we can say that 35 degrees plus y plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, and y will be equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 35 degrees. And this will give us 55 degrees. So the value of y in this diagram is 55 degrees.